Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from a Binance account to your bank account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, log in into your Binance account, and once you're logged in, tap on the wallet in the top right, and after that there's a drop-down menu. So from there, tap on Flat and Spot. After you tap on it, on the other interface, you need to tap on Withdraw in the top left corner of your screen. So as soon as you tap on Withdraw on the other interface, you'll have to tap on the three different options. That is, first of all, you'll have to tap on Withdraw Flat, and after that you have to select the currency type. So for that, you need to tap on USD, and once you're done selecting your currency type, next you have to select the bank account where you want to transfer. So tap on Bank Transfer, which is right at the bottom, and then tap on Continue. After you tap on bank account on the other interface, you'll have to provide all the details that is required right over here. So make sure to enter all the information, and also make sure to enter the correct information. And once you're done providing all of the information as asked, tap on Continue, which is right at the bottom. On the other interface, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer or that you want to withdraw. After you're done entering the amount, tap on Continue, and on the other interface you have the confirmation. So then on the confirmation page, make sure to review all of your information correctly, and once you're done, tap on Confirm. And now you have successfully withdraw or transfer your money from your Binance to your bank account. So that is how you can withdraw money from your Binance to your bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.